Hi, my name is Ethan Copier, and welcome to my Art 1200 self-reflection. I'm going to walk you through just some of my favorite and strongest projects, as well as what I'd improve, key takeaways, and my plans moving forward. My favorite project was probably the custom mailer. I enjoyed working with containers, refining typography, and crafting vector elements within InDesign. I like the open-ended prompt, kind of let me explore layout structure and just kind of gave me free reign on what I wanted to do. Although I tightened up some details in hindsight, this was probably my first tangible deliverable in the course and taught me how to balance text, images, and vector graphics. I thought the project that turned out the nicest was the 4-page newsletter. I'm proud of how the grid kind of holds everything together. I think I did well with text threading, parent pages, and the margins are pretty consistent. The color palette feels pretty cohesive, and the articles flow cleanly from one column to the next. I did miss formatting images for print output, which was a good lesson, but overall the design looks polished and uniform. If I could improve one project, it would probably be the Styles for Efficiency project. I recreated the first 4 pages of the Communist Manifesto, and functionally it's solid, but I did really play it safe, especially on the cover page. The results feel a little bit bland, and I think next time I do something like this, I'll push for a little bit more creativity, doing something beyond kind of simple vector graphics for the cover, and maybe leveraging some more vector art on the pages. One thing I change about my semester is really just time management and discussion engagement. It's my first time back to school since 2021, and I also picked up a couple part-time jobs, which led to some procrastination and really just generally being overwhelmed. Didn't dedicate enough time to practice or engage in conversation, and I feel like if I'd carved out consistent study blocks and participated more, could have reinforced some skills and benefited from peer feedback. So I just think for future career use, mastering InDesign's print and web standards like image formatting and interactive document features is going to be the most helpful thing. On the flip side, creating vector art in InDesign feels less essential just because you have Illustrator for that. It offers a little bit more precision. Moving forward, I'll stick to Illustrator for complex vectors and reserve InDesign for layouts and interactive work where it really shines. I'm going to be completing my Associates of Applied Science in Graphic Design in spring of next year. Then I'm aiming for just a small design firm role before eventually freelancing. I would like to design mailers and literature for causes I'm passionate about, nonprofits, labor unions, and political campaigns. So everything I've learned here, honestly, from master pages and styles to interactive PDFs and web publishing, it's going to be foundational. Um, Thanks for a fun semester, guys. I really appreciate it.